Hello, this is FASTECH. Today, we would like to introduce a new library that enables you to control Ethernet communication type products using Python. First, I will explain the characteristics and advantages of Python. Unlike the C language, Python is a scripting language that does not require compilation. Therefore, when writing or modifying code, the program can be executed immediately without processes such as compilation or building. In addition, Python is currently the most preferred programming language. Therefore, as there are many new developers available who can use Python, it offers an advantage in recruitment. Another advantage of Python is its high compatibility across various operating systems. Although Python was originally developed based on Windows, it has compatibility that allows it to run on various operating systems, including Linux, with little modification. Python is a programming language provided free of charge. As a language used in AI development, it can also be applied to AI applications. Next, I will explain the features of the FASTECH Python library. It has the same usage method as the previously distributed library. Therefore, customers who have used the existing library will not experience significant difficulty in using it. New customers can easily access it through the library manual available on the FASTECH website. It has been supported since Python version 2.5, released in 2006, ensuring that customers who have previously used Python do not encounter version compatibility issues, and it can be used across various architectures. In addition, to minimize inconvenience for our customers, the FASTECH library provides 27 different example codes utilizing the API. Finally, Python provides a wide range of libraries through simple extension methods. Therefore, customers can integrate Python open-source libraries with the FASTECH library to perform more diverse and complex tasks. The following are the products compatible with the FASTECH Python library: Ezi-SERVO 2 plus E, Ezi-SERVO 2 plus E Mini, Ezi-SERVO 2 plus E All, Ezi-STEP 2 plus E, Ezi-STEP 2 plus E Mini, Ezi-MotionLink plus E, Ezi-IO Ethernet DIO, Ezi-IO Ethernet AD, Ezi-IO Ethernet DA, Ezi-IO Ethernet Counter. All of these are Ethernet communication-based products and are compatible with the Python library. Explain how to download the Windows version Python example files. First, access the FASTECH website. In the Download category located at the top of the main page, click Quick Download. After moving to the Quick Download page, by clicking Program in the Ezi-SERVO 2 plus E section, you can download the FASTECH GUI program, which will be saved in the FASTECH folder on the C drive. You can check the Python example files for the Windows version. The following explains how to download the Python library. After moving to the Quick Download page, by clicking the Linux library in the Ezi-SERVO 2 plus E section, when you extract the downloaded file, you can download the Python library, including the Linux version, as well as various example files. The examples provided by FASTECH are not limited to using only a few APIs, but are written utilizing a wide range of APIs. Next, I will explain the available Python library examples for each product. First is the Ezi-SERVO 2 plus E product line. Product connection and communication check, parameter modification, input-output pin control, jog movement, absolute and relative movement. Examples are available for using the override function, origin search operation, position table function, push motion, and linear interpolation movement for two motor axes. Next is the Ezi-STEP 2 plus E product line. Product connection and communication check, parameter modification, input-output pin control, and jog movement. Examples are available for absolute and relative movements, the override function, the position table function, and linear interpolation movement for two motor axes. Next is the Ezi-MotionLink plus E product line. Product connection and communication check, parameter modification, jog movement, and absolute and relative movements. Examples are available for the override function, origin search operation, position table function, push motion, and linear interpolation movement for two motor axes. Next is the Ezi-IO Ethernet DIO product line. Examples are available for product connection and communication check, reading current input values, verifying the latch function, setting output pins, trigger setting and operation, and I/O level setting. Next is the Ezi-IO Ethernet AD product line. Examples are available for product connection and communication check, changing setting values and reading output values. Next is the Ezi-IO Ethernet DA product line. Examples are available for product connection and communication check, modifying DAC product setting values, and configuring DAC product input values. Finally, the Ezi-SERVO Ethernet counter product line. Examples are available for product connection and communication check, modifying setting values, configuring counter status, and trigger setting and operation verification. Next, we will show you example 20, which executes linear interpolation motion for 2 motor axes using the Python library. The specifications of the products used in this video are as follows. Finally, we will present a demo utilizing the Python library. The specifications of the products used in this demo video are as follows. This video presents a real-time 3D graph that is drawn according to the motor's operation. The motor shown in the video operates through the API provided by FASTECH. Here, the x-axis represents the position of motor 1, the y-axis represents the position of motor 2, and the z-axis represents the elapsed time during motor operation. During circular interpolation, the positions of the two axes are plotted over time. This real-time 3D graph was created using the extensible matplotlib library in Python. This concludes the introduction to the Python library that enables control of Ethernet communication type products using Python. Catalogs, manuals, drawings, product-related materials, demo videos, and webinar videos are available on the FASTECH website. Thank you for watching.